Hi, my name is George Conroy, and I am a Fantasy Tour ambassador. This here is Elizabeth Taylor. She is our pet, and today we are going to be talking about traveling with pets in your RV. So when we plan our trip or we go on a fantasy tour, we make sure that we know where the veterinarians are in the areas that we're traveling to. Liz gets her nails trimmed on a monthly basis. We give her a manicure and a pedicure, only we don't do it. We like somebody else to do it, and so we find veterinarians in the areas that we're going to so that they can perform that service for her. And when we get to those areas, we will, if we need to leave Elizabeth in the coach while we go on an adventure, we will use either Paw Shake or Wag or Rover to bring them in, and we will utilize their services so that they can take her out and let her walk and do her business and give her a little exercise and then bring her back to the coach. And then we put her back in here and she's all good to go. So when we travel, we make sure that Elizabeth has plenty of toys. She has plenty of pee pads because we set them out when we leave, and so she has a place to go. She's pee pad trained, and so we have plenty of them, and we actually have a lot of extras just in case. And we have all of her medications from her doctor. We have an abundant amount of those because she does have pancreatitis, and when that kicks in and flares up, we do have medication that we give her so that she's calmed down, her stomach gets calmed down, and she's good to go. We also have plenty of food. We have an excess amount of food, and we make sure she's got a lot of water because, you know, every pet needs water. We also will do the automatic gen start in our RV so that if it gets too hot in here, the generator will kick on and it'll cool down the unit so that Liz is comfortable in her environment. And we also will also set up a ring kind of camera so that we can look at Liz while we are out and we can see her on our phones, which really works out well. We can even talk to her on our phones and she can talk to us back. It's a wonderful thing. There's also, if you're crossing the border, you need to have the rabies shot available to show at the border crossing. So if you're going into Canada or you're going into Mexico, you need to show that current rabies shot. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button below and also like the video. Thank you so much.